on to the next one for the day. This is Islington Police Station. This has been getting requested. There it is, Islington Police Station. So yeah, just a quick update. Hiya. Just a quick update on the civil proceedings that I'm bringing against a particular sergeant from the Stoke Newington video. I'm not going to say her name, do you know what I mean? I'm not here to flip in, like, name and shame the woman, but yeah, so essentially I made the video. If you watched it, it's called I Sued the Met Police, and this is what happened. So if you remember in that video, I was just basically talking about how I didn't believe that there was a legal framework for me to sue the police, and that I was having second thoughts. Since then, I think on the beginning of March, I filed the claim. Remember, the claim is for £2,500 for 3 causes of action: the false imprisonment, the battery, and the assault. So again, I'm asking for £2,500 from the Met Solicitors, Clyde and Co. Yeah. And yeah, obviously they've told me that they're going to defend the claim in full. It cost me about £106 to file the claim. So the total sum of the claim is £2,606, if my maths is not mistaken. So yeah, that's the situation. I'm filing it in a small claims court. I think I've since learned that because the sum of the claim is less than 10,000, if I am to lose, then you know, I think these are circle bands. Yeah, if I am to lose the claim, then I'm not going to be liable. I'm not going to be liable for any costs. So that's the situation with that. Obviously, everyone wanted me to kind of go ahead with this, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to represent myself. You know, I spoke to a few legal firms. They're not kind of willing to take it on because I have already filed the claim myself, you know, in the courts. So, you know, for them to represent me, they need to kind of go through each process themselves. So that's what's going to happen. Whether I'll win, I mean, I don't think I'll win. To be honest, I don't think I'll win. I still don't think that there's a legal framework for. I still don't think that there's a legal framework for auditors to sue the police. So I don't think. Yeah, I don't think I'll win. But I mean, we'll try. If anything, it will be a learning curve, learning experience. So anyway, I'm gonna pick this back up when we've got some activity. Making a video.
Yeah, go on. Obviously, people filming.
Sorry. Yeah, all right, mate.
I'll have a chat with you.
All right, man. So yeah, I hope I explained that whole kind of the whole kind of reason for me suing, and that. Hopefully, I've explained that well. So yeah, man. Next stage, next steps. I'm gonna have to face it up in court, man. I'm gonna have to face it up in court with the Met Solicitors. Their defence that they filed was a lot more kind of articulate. If you remember the initial correspondence that I had with them in the email, that was just a load of nonsense. That just seemed like a bunch of gibberish, to be fair. So you know, the defence that they filed did seem a lot more coherent and a lot more sort of professional. So I mean, even if I don't win, at least I'm showing them that, you know, I'm going to stick up for myself, and, you know, I'm willing to take it all the way. If anything, it just uses up a bit of their time and resources. So, hiya. Hello.
What we're filming, why we're filming, etc.
Yeah, I'm just making a video.
Yeah, I appreciate you making the video.
Yeah.
But you are stood outside the police
Yeah,
station.
would you mind identifying yourself?
Yeah, absolutely. PC on from Islington Police Station.
Thanks.
Obviously, you are filming outside the
Yeah.
police station.
I'm on a pavement though, to be fair.
Correct.
Yeah.
Outside the police station.
Yeah, still on a pavement though.
Yeah. Help me out here. What's going on?
I mean, I don't really see what the problem is, like.
Yeah, so we have a lot of issues with hostile reconnaissance outside police stations, don't we?
I don't think we do. No. Do you think hostile reconnaissance would be done in like broad daylight? Like, I'm not really trying to kid. I don't think it would be. No, not at all.
I mean, come on.
Do you think this is a valuable target for somebody doing hostile?
All right, pause right here. This is important. What he's describing isn't just frustration. It's a civil claim against police, which is rare, risky, and very deliberate. Most people talk, very few actually file. Remember this moment.
Reconnaissance?
Do you?
I don't think it is, no.
What, a police station?
No, I definitely don't think it is. Has anyone ever done this before?
Yeah, repeatedly, unfortunately. Like, repeatedly, and it's relatively...
So you do have people coming out and doing this?
Yeah, people sneaking in the yard, people doing all sorts, mate. What's the reason? Just
Yeah, well, I mean, I'll tell you, it's definitely not hostile reconnaissance.
yeah.
I mean, the reason's not really important. Like, I'm just making a video so you can probably gauge that I'm not here
How
for anything.
can I gauge that?
Because I'm willing to talk to you. You know what I mean? I'm not.
Yeah, absolutely.
I don't think I'm being dodgy. Like,
Neither am I. I'm just having a chat with you, making sure things are all right, really, aren't I?
all right, well, if we're happy with that, then
Yeah, mate. So I'm more than happy to leave you to it. But
thank you.
if you are gonna keep repeatedly getting challenged if you just stood here filming.
But if you would just circulate it, then I probably won't. You know what I mean? So I don't want to waste anyone's time, you know, sort of thing. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I mean it is somewhat wasted time.
Let's break that down real quick.
I'm more than
False
happy to leave you
imprisonment
to it.
means unlawful detention. Battery is unlawful physical contact,
you are gonna
and
keep
assault doesn't
repeatedly
even
getting
require
challenged if you
touch,
just
just
sit
the
here
fear of
filming.
it.
But if you would just
3
circulate
claims,
it, then
1 incident.
I probably won't.
High stakes.
You know what I mean?
But
Say again?
it's somewhat a waste of time, isn't it?
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. If you circulate it, then I'm not going to waste anybody's time. Do you know what I mean? I'm
Aside
sure
from
you
your
lot have got
own,
things to be getting on with.
Oh,
Do you know what I mean?
absolutely. You know, as much as it's a pleasure speaking to you,
Thank you, sir.
It's somewhat tedious, isn't it? You know, I've got better things to do. What I would say is, if you're loitering around the door,
Yeah.
which is people in and out,
Yeah.
people may think you're trying to sneak in. You're filming officers.
Sneaking in for what? Like,
I'm just trying to explain to you the issues that you will encounter as you stood here.
it's not a nightclub, mate. Like, I'm not sneaking to where. Like,
Have you done this before? So I'd expect you to have done this before, or is this your
why?
first time?
Why? You impressed or something?
No, I'm largely indifferent.
Okay.
But
What
unless
What
it's-
makes you think that I've done this before?
well, if you're stood outside a police station filming, a lot of times people have done this before.
I just happen to be walking past.
Yeah.
Like, yeah.
Like if you're doing that, it's fair enough, mate.
Yeah.
But
So you're not aware of like what this is?
explain to me.
Yeah. No.
Like,
like I
I'm more
said.
than willing to listen to what this is. Go on.
It's all right, mate. Don't worry. You'll figure it out eventually, I suppose.
Will I?
Yeah.
It'll be easier if you just tell me.
This is actually strategic. Small claims means low financial risk, no massive legal bills if he loses, but it also means he's going up against trained solicitors alone. Would you take that gamble?
Don't have to tell you.
No, exactly. But
Do you know what I mean? You know what I mean? You,
if you're being mysterious, you've piqued my interest, haven't you?
well, that's it. A bit of homework for you, innit?
Well, I've got better things to do, as you say. So,
Well, if it piqued your interest, then
well, only in this moment in time.
all right.
Yeah, as long as you're having a great day.
Have an excellent day. I mean, it's a bit cold at the moment, but in due time,
I'm going to stand in the sun if you want. But
I could do.
all right.
All right, fellas.
You have a good one.
You too.
You intend to be in here long, or
Just as long as it takes,
for?
just for me to film.
Fair enough.
So I say, if you circulate it, then
You have a good day.
you too. Bye bye. These lot still haven't learned. Like, I'm lost for words. Like, how can they still not know what this is? Like, how like, come on, Met Police, come on, man. If you're watching this, pattern up, man.
And this right here? This isn't about winning anymore. This is about principle. Even forcing a legal defense costs time, money, and paperwork, and that alone sends a message.
Like, are you really gonna keep letting me do this and getting all these views and and all this money off YouTube? Surely not. Surely not. Like, it can't be that hard. It can't be that hard to get this message across. To this day, you're still talking about hostile reconnaissance. Like, come on, man. Met Police, man. Pattern up. I thought that they were feds. They are feds. Yeah, they've been standing there watching me for like 10 minutes. I might go see what they're saying. Like, you're right. Is it you guys that were watching me there for like 10-20 minutes? Yeah, what, you were watching me for like 10-20 minutes? What's going on? Don't lie, man. Come on, man. Just tell me. Just tell the truth. I see you there watching me for like 10-20 minutes. You're a police officer. Can you identify yourself, please?
Well,
You're in plain clothes, bro.
What's the purpose of me identifying myself? I'm not stopping you.
I mean, I suppose, but you were there watching me for like 20 minutes.
No, that's not the case.
Well, what were you doing then?
Sunshine.
Yeah.
Because I've come from.
Fair play. I mean,
I've
it's a
come
smart
from
way.
the
It's a
shop.
smart way to
No,
do things.
I've come from the shop, so my colleague was waiting.
So you just happened to be standing there
No, he was standing
and watching
there, I
and watch.
joined him.
You just happened to be standing there watching me.
Like you're watching me.
Why salam? All right, man. I had to go. See, as soon as I clocked them, I went over there. They dispersed. Islington police are trying to do them covert operations and that. Fair enough. Fair enough. Fair enough. Anyway, yeah. So I'll probably wrap this. Should I wrap this up here? Like the video anyway. I've got to say that. Like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to the video. I don't know if I should wrap it up here or not, man. I don't know if I should wrap it up here or not. We'll see. This might be the outro. It might not be. It might be the outro. It might not be.